Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Am I cooking? No. Am I cooking? No, I am cooking. Okay, today we're back with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test out the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. So if you want to see how this foundation works, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I had a feeling you'd come. Okay, so we are back. As was super easy to do, which I love. So let's talk about this foundation. So I am gonna use the True Match Super Blendable Foundation from, oh my god, I don't know if this is gonna match me, from L'Oreal. And it has 47 shades, which is amazing, and the shade range is off the chain. I've seen how many dark shades are like right here. I love that. And it says it's a medium coverage liquid foundation that offers a skin-like finish and precise color match. The vegan formula is alcohol-free, oil-free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic. So it's made up with 6 pigments for our most precise match, adapts to any skin color and texture, and locks in moisture. Available in 47 true to skin shades, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So let's go into it. I'm gonna use my Beverly. I haven't used this in a minute. You know why I don't even use this? Because it's like, I feel like the pump is annoying as hell. Oh, I forgot I love this. So let's jump in here. Give it a shake. Oh god, I feel like this shade is gonna be too. Maybe a little bit, but you know what? I can make this work. It's a little bit too dark. But I think I needed a neutral and not a warm. This is very liquidy though. Very liquidy. But it feels nice. I like any foundation that feels kind of like light. But this is definitely liquidy. This just look, it looks good. It's a little bit dark, a little bit, nothing crazy, just a tad bit. And then for my concealer, I'm gonna use this new concealer. It's the Bright Eye from Revolution. It's like literally, that's another one of those things that's like all over the place, but I can't open it. You have to do this a lot for it to even show up. Okay, so this is how everything is laid. Everything actually looks really good. So I'm gonna go out on the tongue, do my 2 check-in, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on if this foundation works, if it doesn't work, if I like it, if I don't like it. So see you later. Like waking up without you by my side, I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And now I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to honestly, I'm open wide. Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. I know Lips are practically gone because I've been eating and drinking, you know, Cinco de Mayo, you know, the usual. But foundation looks amazing. Everything looks nice and notched. I don't have any real like problem areas just yet. Like everything looks like real matte for now. Let's not look at the nails because the nails are crusty. I need to, you know, fix that out. But yeah, I've been actually drinking, not really eating yet, but I'm about to go down with the eating, so then the lips will be totally gone. But yeah, everything looks amazing. I really like how this, look at this background though, this is so pretty. I really like, so my face is still pretty matte, and I don't have any, you know, real like creasing or any situation just yet. But yeah, so I'll just continue wearing this foundation. I'll give you guys one more check-in and my final thoughts at the end of the night, so see you later. Back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Hi guys, so I'm doing my second check-in. Look at that zero, that is so cute. But foundation still looks pretty matte. Lips is totally gone. As usual, I was eating. But yeah, apart from that, everything looks good. Let's ignore the weak situation right here. I'm not sure what's happening here. But yeah, everything still looks amazing. Really like, I just like how like matte it is, and it could be because I had a mattifying primer and a mattifying setting spray, but I think that foundation was pretty matte. I have a little shine on my forehead, but I feel like it's like a healthy shine, nothing crazy, and I don't have any separation. My lipstick here, and I kind of rub it, so if it looks like some foundation is gone here, it could be because I rub my lipstick off. But yeah, everything else looks amazing. Man, this eyeshadow is like amazing. One eyeshadow for this look, so yeah. But yeah, I really like how this foundation looks. So at the end of the night, by now I should be wearing this foundation for about 4 hours. So I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night. See you later. I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like... Hi guys, welcome back, and we're gonna talk about this True Matte Super Blendable Foundation from L'Oreal. So my face actually like looks like it's so matte. Like there's no like there's nothing. It's so matte. I don't even know. Like under my eyes like super creasy, but that's a story for another day with that concealer that I use from Makeup Revolution. But apart from that, everything looks real good. You know, I said everything. You know, I'm from the islands, so I still have my Dominica accent. I don't want to lose it. I love it. But yeah, it's just I really like how I don't have any separation. I do have some dryness here, but you know what? That's I don't know why my nose is so dry. I had some lipstick like kind of right here, so I wipe it off. But apart from that, like this foundation looks really, really, really good. Like it's so good. Like, yeah, I love it. Like that's all I can say. And this foundation, if I didn't mention how much it was in my earlier in the video, it's $13.99, which is like pretty, you know, inexpensive. And then I think I got it for like 20% off or something like that at, or 25% off at Target, which is, you know, everybody have a Target somewhere. So yeah, so it's, I thought it was just, you know, amazing. And the shade range is great, 47 shades. That's like insane. And so pretty much like, maybe if everybody can get this shade, is pretty high up there, you know, on who can get this shade or not. And I am all pumped on that, inclusive whether you're super super light or whether you're super super dark or in between. I just want everybody, you know, to get their shade. So that's it guys for this foundation Friday. No, I always do that. Do I recommend this foundation? Yes. So that's it guys for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys. I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely